Hey everybody, welcome back. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer Zucchini. Now, this Instant Pot is the Duo Crisp version. It's 11 gadgets in one. It's a slicer. It's a dicer. Actually, it's none of those. We're just going to use the air fryer part, and we're making zucchini. I got some leftover zucchini, so we're going to make an appetizer. This is crispy, delicious zucchini. So first you're going to start out with sliced zucchini. Just wash it, leave the skin on, slice it up. Then we're going to take each slice, we're going to dip it in milk, dip it in flour. This is just flour. Dip it back in the milk real quick, and then we're going to dip it in our crushed up pork rinds. And for extra flavor, we're going to add just a little parmesan. Actually, I forgot to do this before I started dipping, so I'll get some extra parmesan in here. Adds a little flavor. This one's going to be really full of parmesan. And then I've just oiled the fryer pan. Place them right in there. So, milk, flour, milk, pork rinds. All right, we got all the zucchini put in the air fryer basket. Take a look at these. And before we get them in the air fryer, I want to tell you one more thing real quick. So if you're on a keto diet, this is zucchini, and remember this breading is pork rinds. So pork rinds are good on the keto diet. So this is a low carb snack, appetizer, whatever you want to make it here. Okay, so we got everything in the air fryer. We're going to turn this on. 390. We're going to cook them for 7 minutes and flip them. So 7 to 14 minutes is where you're going to cook these, depending on how crispy you like them. And apparently if I talk too long, it shuts itself off. So 7 minutes, 390, start. All right, first 7 minutes is down. We're going to spray these and flip them and spray them again. Now, I've heard people say they have a hard time getting things crisp in the air fryer. So what we're using is the continuous spray olive oil mister. I'll put a link to this down in the description. Also put a link to the Instant Pot if you want to know which one I have down in the description also. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to spray the top side. Just a little spray, and we're going to flip them. So those are kind of crispy already. I can hear them when I flip them here. All right, rearrange there, and we're going to spray this side. Just a light spray, don't coat them too much, and we're going to put them back in at 390 for another 7 minutes. And we're probably going to check them at 5 just to make sure they're not burning. So air fry, 7 minutes, 390. Start. Woohoo! Food is out of the air fryer. These crispy zucchini slices, breaded and crispy to perfection. Take a look at these. I left them in a full 14 minutes, and these actually are really nice and crispy. So, like I said, spray them with olive oil, kind of the secret to getting a little bit of crisp, because you can't even tell that olive oil sprayed on there. That's why you want a light mist. Now listen. You can kind of hear how crispy that is. If you're on a keto diet, eat them just like this, relatively low carb. But I'm not on the keto diet right now because I'm a cheater. So I'm going to use a little bit of ranch dressing and a little bit of marinara sauce. So I'm not going to mix the two. I like them in either or. I don't really like them mixed. So let's try the marinara first. See how it is. Crispy, and you can see in the middle it's still nice and juicy in the middle. If you like zucchini, you still get that really good zucchini flavor, but crispy on the outside. So let's try the ranch. I'm not sure which I like better. Those are both excellent dips. So This recipe turned out perfect. Love it. This is a great appetizer. Or if you just want to have a nice, healthy, low-carb dinner, you could eat these for dinner. So thanks for stopping. Again, I'm going to put the links down in the description on where you can get the sprayer and the air fryer. If you make these, I hope yours turn out as good as mine did. Thanks for stopping. Remember to click that thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a great day.